I started diving into music a lot when I was 12. I was like making mixes and stuff on this program on the computer called Acid Pro, and like I would get loops and stuff and like mash them together and make beats and shit like that. And then I bought my own turntables at 16, and then like my pops, you know, he been in music since the 80s, so he had onto my walls with crates of records from old funk music to disco to R&B to early hip hop. I'm talking about NWA or I'm talking about everything, I'm saying? Anything you could think of, all in albums, all on wax. So, I was able to dig in those crates and jam them, scratching and learn all that.